Did you know Walmart, they got their own Android tablet now, and it has the full Play Store. And so this makes it an alternative to the very inexpensive tablets from companies like Amazon, like the Fire tablet. I believe this thing is like $60. And you know it's going to be plastic. It's not going to be all that fun. According to 9 to 5 Google, the screen has like a sticky feel to it. But one of the things I like reading through here, even with the low spec 720p display, it's got a relatively clean skin on it. Like, that's the opposite of the Amazon situation. So is it going to lag a little bit? I mean, it's not going to be that quick, but at least the software's clean. And so anyhow, rounding out the specs here real quick. For $64, what do you get? You get 1280 by 800. And you get that in either an 8 or 10-inch variant. You pick it up at your local Walmart. It's got Android 9 Pie, which is a fairly clean version of it, as I stated previously. But the bottom line is it's going to feel a lot like $60. The $64 gets you the 8-inch model. $79 gets you the 10-inch model. Who's it for? Kids, really, I would say. This is the type of thing, Will, you just hand to your kids or something. They want to, of course, they got projects to do. They want to hop on, do some research. I mean, it's not like they're playing games or YouTube Kids or anything like that. No. It's all Mozart, all right, for the youth. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. Kids, they want to be on YouTube Kids.
Yeah, it's a good price point.
Whatever they want to do, and you don't have to worry about it. You just hand it over. You don't care. It's $64. That's what they're going for. Now, the Amazon angle is like, but wait, here are some Amazon-specific integrations that you might want to take advantage of. The whole Kindle Prime package deal with the content and everything else going on with their Fire products. This is the other angle. This is like you probably have an Android phone. Maybe you have a bunch of Android apps. Maybe you want the full-out Play Store, clean OS, unadulterated Android. You want the simplest thing possible. Apparently, Walmart has only installed 5 apps on it out of the gate. You might have expected more. You know, you might have expected them to load it up with bloatware. It doesn't seem like that much. They have Walmart, Walmart Grocery, Sam's Club, Voodoo, and Books. And as you know, on Amazon's cheapest version of the Fire tablets, they actually put ads on it to subsidize the cost. So that doesn't look like that's the case over here. Now, they don't tell you what the chipset is inside of it, and it's only got 2 gigs of RAM. So let's just keep that in mind. Let's adjust the expectations a little bit for what it is. But honestly, for that purpose, like I said, for a kid, for a non-power user, maybe for a senior citizen, they just want to hop on Facebook and connect with the family real quick, then $64.
Yeah.
What do you say, Will?
It's definitely not for power users.
No.
But yeah, for old people, young kids, and it's running stock Android, right? So
pretty close to it. So accessibility, that's an accessibility product that gets more people online.
Yeah.
Lower investment. I don't think it's such a bad thing. Would I use it? Of course, no. I mean, there's phones everywhere. This is the HQ. This is Unbox Therapy. Everything's... No. Will's not going to use it. Kirk's not going to... But we're trying to showcase. There's a lot of solutions out there in the world, you know?
there's options.
There's options.